Alright guys, so to take your gun apart, to clean it, unscrew your air cap at the front. Nozzle with the spanner. And everything else should follow suit. Got your fan seal there, that comes out. Then finally your needle, which comes out from the back. Pull the trigger, pull it out. Give it all a quick scrub. Right, so when you're building it back together, the first 1, 2, 3, 4 parts need to go back together a certain way, otherwise you won't be able to adjust the fan. So your fan seal, the little white thing, has a thinner edge and a wider edge, like a tapered edge. That's your wider edge there, that's your thinner edge there. So the thinner edge wants to go into the gun, with the wider edge facing you. That's your fan adjustment seal. Then your fan adjustment plate has 2 smiley faces almost. They have to sit at 12 and 6 following the line of the gun, so like that. With the hole there for the pin on the right hand side showing, so that will allow your air distributor plate to go into that. Then your fan regulator plate goes on top of that again at 12 and 6 with the 2 smiley faces, with the hole lined up with the hole behind there. Then your air distributor with the pin will line up into that hole. Okay, so both black and white ones need to sit at 12 and 6 with everything aligned. Then from there the rest should build itself. So you have your nozzle, which you screw in next. Spanner tightened. Then your air cap. And your air cap ring. And then finally your needle last. You don't want to build everything up to your needle, so you can because you can damage it. So needle in last. Then your job done. If you have the bottom part here, which is for the bottom feed, they'll have a blanking cap on that. Make sure you unscrew that as well, because the material will sit in the bottom there. So unscrew that, clean that through, otherwise you'll have old paint build up over time.